Massachusetts and California.
The Goodnight family is reunited with remnants of a lost loved one with a little
Carries chants and prayers. If we didn't have our faith and the faith in our community, I don't know how we would do it every day.
When Jeff Goodnight's son Mason passed away in April, he couldn't push himself to move his son's backpack, still inside the car from the last time he was dropped off at school.
I took him to school every day, and it was just really hard for me to take it out of my car. I'd started using, like some of his ball markers and stuff.
Goodnight wants to especially thank the Bowling Green Police Department and the Warren County Sheriff's Office for their efforts in getting Mason's belongings back. Fort Campbell authorities are searching for a soldier they say failed to report for duty. Private Trevor Solomon was officially listed as absent without leave last Saturday. Kentucky and Tennessee authorities are both actively looking for him. Anyone with information is asked to call the Fort Campbell Military Police at 270-798-0416. Bard and College Street will be closed for pavement reconstruction in Bowling Green beginning this Friday and will continue through early Monday morning. This intersection is at the top of the hill in front of Cherry Hall on WBKO's campus. Detours will be posted and delays can be expected. The Bowling Green Police Department is investigating a shoplifting at a local liquor store, and we have surveillance video of the suspects, and tonight's remain completely anonymous.
Wonderful weather for this Wednesday. Lots more sunshine. Temperatures a little bit warmer this afternoon, but humidity staying comfortable, at least for now. It'll be changing as we head through tonight, but no rain. Doppler max is still dry over the two-state region. Some high, thin cirrus clouds rolling in from out of the northwest, but fair skies can be expected for our Wednesday evening. Our Wednesday morning began on a crisp, cool note, down to 55 for the low in Bowling Green. Even has some mesonet lows as low as 51 degrees, like at the site near Hartford this morning. Evansville woke up to a reading of 56. It's now 83 there. Same temperature here for Bowling Green. 87 down the road in Nashville, and upper 80s also showing up today in Jackson, Tennessee. Hometown forecast heading out this evening. Temperatures pacing a little warmer, but otherwise nice. 74 for Campbellsville by 8:30, and to the upper 60s to around 70 by daybreak tomorrow as muggier air takes over, and that muggy air is going to be with us all the way into the upcoming holiday weekend, which means chances for rain are creeping back into the forecast picture. We'll show you which days hold the best chances for showers and storms in that forecast in just a few minutes. Gene?
Cheyenne, California recently banned state-sponsored travel to Kentucky and other states, citing discrimination against the LGBT community. And now Governor Matt Bevin is blaming Attorney General Andy Beshear for the controversy.
It's been a full week since Bowling Green had a high temperature that met the average for the day. That was back on June 21st when we were 88 degrees, back on the first full day of summer. Since then, our highs have been running below average, in fact, well below average in some days. And while they're warmer today, they're still running below the seasonal norms. 83 for Bowling Green and Louisville, 80 for Lexington, upper 70s now in Jackson, Kentucky. Jackson, Tennessee reads 86 degrees, and while readings will be a couple of notches better still tomorrow, the added humidity is what will really
Jackson,
feel,
be quiet.
and that is going to result in rain chances returning. Our high today, 84 officially at the airport. Again, warmer, but still 5 degrees below the average, 55 for a nice, cool, refreshing low this morning. As mentioned earlier, some of the measurement sections north and east of the city dropped into the lower 50s. Note the record high for this day that happened 5 years ago at the beginning of that awful heat wave back in 2012 when it was 106 degrees on this day.
Don't
a whole lot worse in late June. But today, another nice one. There's a view on the southeast side of Bowling Green at Scottsville Road from our AAA Systems webcam. Gorgeous sunshine, just a few wispy cirrus clouds rolling through. And 83 is the current temperature with humidity still not too bad at 42%, although muggier air will start returning gradually as the evening wears on. 80 degrees in Litchfield, sun along with high clouds over Grayson County. Similar conditions in Edmonton, where you're checking in with a mesonet reading of 79. A couple of notches better down the road in Scottsville with sunshine. You're at 81 degrees. On the air quality front, still low amounts of grass pollen, although that is up a little bit from yesterday for sniffling and sneezing. That could be the reason. It's at 4.1 now. The UV index, the main story here, very high.
At least I don't videotape me telling the weather. I just videotape the other weathermen telling the weather and not me.
In abundance today, although high clouds are increasing here along the Ohio River. some of those clouds blowing off a big-time thunderstorms that have gone severe across southern Wisconsin down into Iowa, being tornadoes and large hail there. Also watching showers and storms, a lot of Gulf of Mexico moisture here across Mississippi, Alabama, down into Louisiana, beginning to lift northward now in response to a digging disturbance here over the upper Midwest and Plain states. This system will be slowly heading in our direction over the next 2 days and promoting better rain chances as it closes in here. As for Thursday, there's a possibility for some rain tomorrow on an isolated basis. Future Max showing a little more green here, and there's a possibility for some stray hit-or-miss type showers that thug your environment. On Friday, there'll be a better chance for scattered storms late in the day as that front over the Midwest gets closer and provides more lift in the atmosphere. There'll be plenty of moisture to go around by that point, and the muggy atmosphere lingers into the upcoming weekend. Thunderfest Day, of course, is Saturday. Cross your fingers so we can get rain to diminish by that night, because I think during the day we're going to have good coverage for showers and thunderstorms, some with heavy rain, and watch out for dangerous lightning, too, for those outdoor plans on Saturday. Tonight, mostly clear, warmer low down to 66, and then tomorrow's high just a touch warmer at 88. A chance for an isolated shower or thunder shower late in the day. Better storm chances on Friday at 40% with a high there 87. We will keep it warm. We're also going to keep it muggy all the way through the upcoming holiday weekend. The best storm chances showing up on Saturday. Not a total washout, though. And again, hopefully we'll be able to get that rain to subside by Saturday night's Thunderfest in Bowling Green. Sunday and Monday, Gene, are actually looking mainly dry now. And then there's another possibility for a late-day storm on July 4th itself. So not a total washout for the weekend, but it does look to be on the humid side.
Yes, it does. Well, you can't have everything.
That's right.
When you have a corporate headquarters in town, you're going to get some talented employees, and one of them has been honored across the country.
Yeah, a really big honor, and it relates to the sport of basketball. Coming up here, if we could see the video, you're going to see in a moment, that's the woman who is honored, and a big honor. We'll tell you about that, but yes.